obviously if you're financing, most of financing right now, I don't know what rates are off the top of my head, but let's just take 5%. And let's just take 5%. And if you were buying this property, if you were buying this $1 million property, and let's just say you put 20% down, you put 200 grand down. So all right, so you put 200 grand down, and you have a loan on $800,000 at 5%. Okay, terrible writing there. All right, so are you making money on this property? Just on what I gave you here. Wow, nobody. I usually get somebody. And we're gonna use whole numbers, so not
even.
This is kind of where it is. And again, we're just using the loan. We're not going too crazy with this. That's roughly your payment. I didn't do a full super AM kind of a thing. I just kind of give us an idea of what we're working with. So about 3,000, let's say 3,500. So about 3,500 a month. And if we know this property makes 80 grand a year, what is the likelihood we're going to do very good on this property? That's our no. So 5% on 800K is roughly now you can possibly get better terms than this. You can possibly get more amortization. I'm just kind of using whole numbers because I don't want to lose anybody. I'm saying if you're making 80K a year on $1 million property, and you know at 5%, now you might get better rates, you might get 4%. I'm just saying at 5%, you know you're gonna pay somewhere around $40,000. Can you make money?
That's 40,000 difference, right?
Roughly. Now remember, we didn't do expenses, we didn't go too crazy on this, and we put this much cash down. So what you're looking for is cash on cash return. That's what's more important. It's not the cap rate. That's kind of where we want our people to really shine. So if they put down $200,000, and let's just say for easy math, they make 20 grand. Now I said 40 here, but I just want to kind of keep us along. For easy math, so they're getting a 10% return. If somebody's asking you, hey, I want a 10 cap, well, I think what they're really telling you is, I want a 10% return on my money.